Hi, my name is Vincent Terrazi. I am data science coach. I am so happy to launch my digital courses about GPT-3 and its alternatives. Of course, I created my courses with two AI assistants. Laura, can you explain what GPT-3 is?
No problem, Vincent. In fact, GPT-3 is an acronym for Generative Pre-training Transformer. We're dealing with the third version, and like its older sibling GPT-2, it's generative, which means that it can generate long sequences of text. Pre-training means that it wasn't built with any particular domain-specific knowledge, but is generalized across all domains. It is extremely good at calculating the probability that a word will occur given the other words in the text. That's right, GPT-3 is an extremely qualitative linguistic model, and the way it works is simple. The model calculates the probability that a word will occur, given the other words in the context. For example, in this sentence, when I fell, I broke my, and now I have a limp, the probability that the word is leg is extremely high, but given the context, it could also be kneecap. Here, we'll ask it to create a description with an open AI tool. I've specified this in the instructions. The result is very good. However, GPT-3 will go ahead and add information that isn't provided in the instructions. Here, for example, it indicates that facial identification is activated for in-store purchases. This might be an issue, and we'll see the digital courses how to control how the model generates text.
Thanks, Laura. So, you have two parts for learning GPT-3. The first part is very functional and focus on tools provided by OpenAI. You don't need to have access to the OpenAI API to understand how GPT-3 works. The second part is more technical. For example, we will use an approach with the Python programming language to adapt GPT-3 to marketing use. Now, Bob, can you explain how can we automate marketing tasks with the OpenAI APIs?
No problem, Vincent. Here, you can read an example of a generated description that respects the characteristics given, including the host's first name, the price. In addition, it adds information about places to visit in the town or city. I'm going to extract the code in Python using the button indicated by the black arrow, and I'll save it for use in my Jupyter Notebook or Google Colab. In Google Colab, we'll import the libraries that we're going to use, we'll copy and paste our OpenAI token, and we'll test it by reading the list of available AI. In the digital courses, we'll go into detail about NLP in order to learn how to generate prompts based on a CSV file, and specifically how to obtain quality texts.
Thanks for your explanation, Bob. Here, a quick recap for both parts of what we will have access to. 20 instructional videos, 6 documented and ready-to-use Google Colab, a proven method to create machine learning apps with ease, and 3 alternatives to GPT-3 for text generation, text summarization, and image generation. More at datamarketing.com and see you soon.